guys, I'm Virginia Thicc, and today I'm going to create an Ice Queen look for you. We're going to create this Icy Queen look today by using lots of blue eyeshadow, lots of glitter, and lots of diamonds. The holidays is one of Virginia's favorite times of year because she can bust out all the furs that she's been saving all summer and wear them all winter long to stay nice and warm and looking fly. This is a good season to try a liquid foundation. Liquid foundations go on a lot smoother and give your skin a little extra shine. Virginia likes to think she's been on the nice list, but if you really know Virginia, she's definitely been on the naughty list this year. So I know you're planning on buying Virginia lots of gifts this year. There's 3 things that she can always use. One is a nice double-stacked wig. The second is anything glitter. And the third thing is always tips. Virginia's favorite holiday dish is, I would say, a nice, warm, hot toddy. The last tip I have is to bust out that glitter because this is a great season to use glitter as a highlight. Virginia's last step is a nice setting spray and one last look in the mirror before she heads out to the bar. I'm Virginia Thicc, and for more videos like this,